In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Evernote. Keeping your Evernote application up to date ensures you have access to the latest features, security improvements, and bug fixes, making your experience smoother and more productive. So, let's dive right in and get started on updating Evernote. First, launch the Evernote application on your device. You can do this by either clicking the Evernote icon located on your desktop or finding it in your Start menu or application tray, depending on your operating system. Once you've opened Evernote, you'll find yourself on the home screen, where you can see your notes and notebooks. From here, it's only a couple of quick steps before you can begin the update process. Direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see several options such as File, Edit, View, and so on. What we are interested in is the Help menu. Click on Help to open a drop-down menu that presents various support options and tools. This menu is extremely useful not just for updates, but also for accessing documentation and reaching customer support if needed. However, today we focus on the updating process. In the Help drop-down menu, you'll see a selection labeled Check for Updates. Click on this option. By doing this, you instruct Evernote to look for available updates. The application will then connect to its servers to determine whether a newer version is available. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once Evernote completes this check, a notification will appear informing you of the results. If a new version is available, Evernote will prompt you to download and install it. Simply click the button to proceed with the update. Remember, having the latest update keeps your app running smoothly and securely, so it's important not to skip this step. Depending on your current version and the size of the update, the download and installation may take some time. Be patient and allow the process to finish completely. It might be a good idea to avoid other heavy internet activities at this time to ensure the download happens swiftly. After the update is complete, Evernote may request you to restart the application. This is normal and allows the update to fully integrate with your app, ensuring all new features and improvements are ready to go. Simply close Evernote and reopen it to complete the process. Now, you're all set with the latest version of Evernote on your device, and that's it. You've updated Evernote successfully, ensuring you have the latest tools and security enhancements right at your fingertips. Updating your applications routinely is a great habit for maintaining digital fluency. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.